Today is Thursday, May 14th, 2020, otherwise known as Day 40 of Digital Learning. Let's remember what we've talked about so far. We've talked about an array, which is an arrangement of horizontal rows and vertical columns. It must be made up of any number of objects that can be put into equal rows and columns. Some key vocabulary that we need to know for today would be repeated addition. It is adding the same number or addend over and over. Our I can statement for today is I can solve a word problem by drawing an array. Get your I do for today. It says Maisha was buying a box of chocolates to give to her mother for her birthday. The first box of chocolates had 7 columns of chocolates with 4 pieces in each column. The second box had 5 rows with 6 pieces in each column. Both boxes of chocolate cost the same amount. Which box of chocolates should Maisha buy if she wants the box with the most pieces? So the first thing I'm going to do is circle my numbers. So I see 7, I see 4, I see 5, and 6. The second thing I see is I have to underline my question, and it says, which box of chocolate should Maisha buy if she wants to buy the one with the most pieces? I'm going to box my action words. Well, I see first, so there's 2 boxes. I see columns. I see columns are perfect. And I see rows. And I see most, so we want to find the one that has the most. So I'm going to do box 1 in dark green so you can see it. And I'm going to label it saying box 1. And it says box 1, or for the first box, which is box 1, it had 7 columns of chocolate. So I'm going to draw 7 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 pieces of chocolate, right? And in each column, there were 4 pieces. So under column 1, there would be 1, 2, 3, 4. And column 2 would have 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Column 3 would have 4 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Column 4 would have 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Column 5 would have 4 pieces as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Column 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And column 7 has 4 pieces as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, in box 1, there are 7 columns. And how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. Okay. And I can figure this out by adding 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, or I could do 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 4. So 7 plus 4. Okay. And I'm going to do 7 plus 7 because I know 7 plus 7 is 14. So I'm going to do this one. I'm going to drag it down and go 7 plus 7 is 14. And 14, so I know 7 plus 7 is 14, and there's 4 of them. So I could do another 7 plus 7 is 14. So then we 14 plus 14 is 28. So in box 1, there's 28 chocolates. So I'm going to write 28. 8 chocolates. Oops. In box 1. Okay. And I'm going to just kind of like, I'll circle that in blue so I can tell the difference for me. Okay. Well, now I have to figure out how many of chocolates is in box 2. So I can still see which one is box 1 bigger or is box 2 bigger. So I'm going to use this like darker purpley blue color. I'm going to write box 2. And in box 2, second box has 5 rows with 6 pieces in each column, in each row. So 5 rows. So I'm going to draw 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have to have 6 pieces in each row. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's row 1 has 6 pieces. So row 2 has 6 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Row 3 has 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Row 4 has 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Row 5 has 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 5 rows. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 columns. And my repeated addition equation could be 5 plus, so 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay. Or I could do 6 plus 6, oops, so 6 plus 6 plus another 6 plus another 6 plus my final 6 is equal to our blank, right? And I know how to count by 5, so I'm going to count by 5s to find my answer. And so every time I count by 5, I'm going to check off my thing up above. I'm going to use this lighter green to help check off. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So I'm going to go 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus another 5 is 15. Plus another 5 is 20. Plus another 5 is 25. And plus my final 5 is 30. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So in box 2, has 30 chocolates. So back to my question, it says, which box should Maisha buy if she wants to buy the box with the most pieces? Well, I'm going to write Maisha should buy box 2 of chocolates because it has 30 chocolates and box 1 has 28 chocolates. There is 2 more chocolates in box 2 than box 1. And our you-do says, look at the fish in the box below. Choose all the students who show how many fish are in the box. And your sentence stem says blank and blank are correct because blank. In this case, you have 2 students that are correct. I am telling you that. This sentence stem is giving you the hint that 2 students are correct. We can't wait to see your work, and we will see you soon.